Good afternoon. I'm Assis of class 10D Roll 12 and my topic for today honesty. Honesty is a facet of moral character that connotes positive and virtuous attributes such as integrity, truthfulness, straightforwardness, including straightforwardness of conduct along with the absence of lying, cheating, theft, etc. Honesty also involves being trustworthy, loyal, free and sincere. Honesty is valued in many ethnic and religious cultures. Honesty, the best policy in, is a proof of Edwin Sanders, while the quote Honesty, the first chapter in the Book of Wisdom, is attributed to Thomas Jefferson as used in a letter to Nathaniel Macon. April 30 is a National Honesty Day in the United States. William Shakespeare famously described honesty as an attribute people leave behind when he wrote that no legacy is so rich as honesty. In Act 3, Scenes 5 of All Swells That End Swells. Others have noted that, however, that too much honesty might be seen as undisciplined openness. For example, individuals may be perceived as being too honest if they honestly express the negative opinions of others, either without having asked their opinions or having asked in a circumstances where the response would be terrible. This concern manifests in the concept of political correctness, with individuals refraining from experiencing their true opinions due to a general societal condemnation of such views. Research has also found that honesty can lead to interpersonal harm because people avoid information about how their honest behavior affects others. The Oxford English Industry defines honesty as the quality of being honest. Honest is in turn defined as a free of deceit, truthful and sincerely, morally correct or virtuous, attributive, fairly earned, especially through hard work of an action done with good intentions, even if unsuccessful or misguided, attributive, simple, unpretentious, and unsophisticated. Honesty is going to take you places in life that you never could have dreamed, and it is the easiest thing you can practice in order to be happy, successful, and fulfilled. Honesty is the part of foundation of many core values and principles. Honesty cuts through dissipations and knives its way through deceit and lies. Honesty leads to a fulfilling, free life. Honesty is not just about telling the truth, it is about being real with yourself and others, about who you are, what you want, and what you need to live your most authentic life. Honesty promotes openness, empowers us, and enables us to develop consistency in how we present the facts. Honesty sharpens our perception and allows us to observe everything around us with clarity. The opposite of honesty is reputation or lying. Lying is equally bad whether you are deceiving others or yourself. When you lie, you delude yourself into believing what you are saying. You start digging a hypothetical ditch, even if with an infant sized spoon, that will keep getting bigger over time. You confuse yourself, confuse others, lose credibility, and put yourself in harm. The worst part of lying we practice in order to decide is when we lie to ourselves. We start messing around with our concept of morality, right and wrong, as well as our dreams and desires. Time that lied in order to do something that I knew was wrong. I could feel it, my inner core was warred and rebelled against what I was mentally commenting to doing because it was in contrast to whom I really am. When I look back on it, every time I lied that I was trying to excuse or misrepresent my own shortcomings or to compensate for something, was trying to pursue a sinful desire that would only at best produce temporary pleasures, lies I would wear often due to a lack of effort, positive morals or thoughts. Other time was convincing myself wasn't good enough or able to do something my heart was really set on. Lying or pursuing knew something didn't really know was the easy path. This discouraging thought manifested itself in ways that couldn't possibly preserve at that time. I set back by delaying the pursuit of my dreams. It took away my ability to take chances that my heart was willing to take but my mind was blocking me from taking. Despite its temptations, easy of use and false promises, lying gets us nowhere in the end. We stay right in our tracks, our search words go backs. Honesty and seeking the truth is always the way to go. Honesty ingrains confidence, faith, empowers empowers our willpower and represents us in the best way for others and witness our examples. Thank you.